Where are you, Thea?
Chopolopo Mansion.
Nice.
No, I'm on Sarabona Beach on Bonaire. Cheers. No, I'm in the laundrette. No, I don't know where I am.
Crystal room.
Here we go.
I'm in the crystal room. No, I'm in the butterfly. No, I'm in a quiz. No, I'm in the spa. No, I'm on a cliff. Look at our boat. No, I'm in Wallallabu Heritage Site. No, I'm in St. Vincent Square. No, I'm at the Sunset Bar. No, I'm in the atrium. No, I'm on a land train. No, I'm in a tunnel. No, I'm at a disco. No, I'm in the beer garden in St. Lucia. No, I'm at the swimming pool. No, I'm on a cliff. No, I'm in the sea. No, I'm in a very choppy swimming pool. No, I'm at afternoon tea with the ladies. No, I'm in a quiz. Shh. No, I'm at Half Moon Bay. No, I'm having rum punch. No, I'm waiting for a taxi. No, I'm in St. Martin, waiting for a plane to come in. Cheers. No, I'm looking at planes.
I was super zoomed in on you.
No, drinking liquid Viagra. Cheers. Have a very blue tongue. No, I'm playing China. No, I'm in an O. Oh, I'm on the bus home. No, I'm getting on the plane. Look. No. Just no.